Marcus, are you ready to film the Marcus and the Waterfall of Death? Are you ready to film?
Yeah.
Say, I need my helmet. Okay, go get your helmet. Marcus is preparing to go on the death ride over the great waterfall. He is using every safety precaution possible. Okay, now he is going to board his life raft. Go ahead.
Dun dun dun.
You have to film.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, get in.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
No, you need your helmet. You need your safety helmet.
How do you zoom out? How do you zoom out?
Watch out for me, Kiki.
Okay.
My life.
In your life?
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun.
Young Marcus gets in the raft. Dun 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 dun. Need your safety helmet. Dun 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 dun.
What'll happen
Oh,
next?
the water's starting to get rough. Dun 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 dun. We must film the waterfall. Dun 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 dun. Marcus will soon attempt the waterfall of death. Dun 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 dun. Kiki's not really going down the waterfall of death.
Okay.
Dun, dun, dun. There it is. The waterfall of death. Oh. Our young brave heroes ready.
Are you ready, Marcus?
Dun, 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 dun,
What's
dun,
your
dun.
movie? What's yours?
I don't have one because I'm not in this movie. Dun, 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 dun,
Go.
dun, dun, dun.
He could go any second.
You ready?
Go.
Dun, 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 dun. Whoa! And he made it!
Whoa.
Marcus, how do you feel after going down the waterfall of death? Marcus, any comments?
Say, Marcus, look at the camera. Say, I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Yay!
Kiki's turn. Thank you for sharing the waterfall.
Now he dares to go on it without a helmet. Dun dun dun.
Filming Marcus and the Waterfall of Death. Take 2. Dun, 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 dun. Are you out there? Yeah.
No. No.
Oh, we're going towards the rapids. The boat's shaking. Yeah, we're going towards the waterfall. Oh no! No! Not the waterfall! The boat's teetering on the brink of disaster. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Ah! Ah! Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
Sorry, I couldn't go down. Oh wait.
It's fun.
Attach a cushion to my buttocks.
Oh, all right. Botox.
Kiki attempting the waterfall of death. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, oh.
I made it! Hug me!
Whoa.
This is what the Bain family does on Sunday evenings.
It's Monday.
Ow.